day everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to solve transaction in Ita company's transaction in the month of July.
So here in July 1, the owner invested cash daw nga nag-amount og 1,700,000 pesos. Okay, so muray ta og 1,700,000. And since naman siya, investment siya, and of course, it can also lead to an increases also sa capital. Kay since asset cash, mo turn po siya capital. So magbutang po ni og 1,700,000. So here in July 3, the owner invested land nga nag-amount og 2,800,000 pesos. So ato siya ibutang sa land, ani sa asset, land. 2,800,000 pesos. And always remember guys, once mo invest mo something sa assets, makaprihajud na siya sa capital. So magbutang po ta og 2,800,000. So here in July 4, the owner received an amount of 850,000 cash from bank loan. Since ang owner naka-receive og 850 cash, ato ni siya ibutang din sa asset which is cash. Mo ni siya 850,000. And since naka-receive man siya og 850,000 from bank loans, and of course ato siya ibutang anhi sa loans payable kay since naka-receive man siya bank loans which is 850,000. So here in July 6, ang company ni purchase at equipment worth of 190,000. So magbutang ta ni sa asset sa may equipment og 190,000 which is ni purchase sila og equipment. And since ni purchase man sila equipment, makuhaan jud na ang cash. And since nakuhaan man ang cash, mo use ta og minus. Mag-minus ta, minus 190,000. So here in July 7, ang company ni purchase siya og supply worth og 25,000 pesos cash. So magbutang ta og 25,000 sa supplies kay since nipalit man siya. And since nipalit man siya og supplies, makuhaan jud na ang cash. Kay since nakuhaan na ang cash, mag-negative ni siya. So negative 25,000 sa cash.
So now we will gonna discuss the transaction from July 9 to July 18. So here in July 9, it states here that the owner invested additional 850,000 cash. So we will gonna put the 850,000 in cash. So 850,000, and since the owner invested, so we will also gonna put 850,000 into the capital. So here. So in July 11, it states here that the owner paid half of the bank loan. So remember in July 4, the owner received 850,000 cash from the bank loan, and in July 11, it states here that the owner paid half. So 850,000 divided by 2. 425. So we're gonna put 425,000 in the cash, and we will also gonna put 425,000 in the loans payable since nakabayad naman ang owner sa iyang giutang sa bank. So both are negative since nabayaran naman. So in July 12, the owner purchased additional supplies worth 10K. So we will gonna put 10K in the supplies. So 10K. And it states that the owner purchased. So we're also gonna put the 10K in cash, but ma-negative na siya since nipalit man siya. Here. So in July 17, it states there that the owner purchased equipment worth 55,000 on account. So we're gonna put that 55,000 in the equipment. And since the owner purchased sa account daw, so we're gonna also put in the accounts payable nga nasa liabilities. So we're gonna put 55,000 here. So here in July 18, the owner again purchased supplies worth 45,000. So we're gonna put 45,000 in the supplies and in the cash. And maminus na po siya since nipalit man siya.
I'm the one to discuss the last 5 transactions of Althea company, which is from July 20 to July 31. So let's proceed. In July 20, the owner received cash worth of 92,000 cost of goods sold. So, ang ilang income is 92,000. So, ato na siya ibutang sa cash. Ano siya? Since nakakuha man sila income nga 92,000, so mapunta na siya sa capital. And mauna siya. July 21, the owners purchased supplies worth of 16,500 on account. So, supplies. Magpunta na siya dari sa supply. Since sa supply man na siya nag-purchase. 16,500. Since dili man cash ay nakabutang man diri account, so magbutang ni siya sa account payable. In July 24, the owner paid half of the amount due on equipment. So amount due. So in July 17, ni-purchase man ang owner of 55,000 on account. So, ang kuan man ang 55,000 divided by 2 to 27,500. So, half man yung gibayaran. So, mao ni iyahang imong ibutang sa equipment. 27,500. And mag-minus na ka diri sa accounts payable. Kay nabayaran man nimo ang half sa 55. So, in July 24, ni paid og half due on equipment. So, na diri sa 17 ni kuan siya ni purchase siya 55,000 on account. So, diri magbutang ka diri og 55,000 divided by 2. Mao ni siya ang half sa 55,000. So, mao na to ibutang diri. Since sa account man siya nag-purchase, so makuha na ni og kuan. Maminusan na since nakabayad naman tag half, mao na siya. In July 31, paid outstanding balance for supplies on account. So makita na to diri na sa 21 i-purchase sila sa supplies worth of 16,500. So wala man siya nabayaran. So diri ma-minus na siya 16,500 kay gibayaran naman niya on account. So diri ka sa account. And kay utang kay nabayaran naman niya. So minus na siya. All the assets. This is the cash, this is the land, this is the equipment, and this is the supply. So, ito na siya yung total. Total of 5,469,500,000. Ano siya yung total sa asset. So, let's proceed to liabilities and the capital. Since the loans payable is 0, so 0 na siya, so sa accounts payable, ano siya po siya nahibilin o 227,500,000. And for the total of the capital is 5,442,000. So, ato na siya i-total na. Mauna na siya ang answer. 5,469,500,000. So, therefore, mabalas na ang duha. So, liabilities is so nabalance na to ang asset o ang liabilities o ang capital. So mauna na siya ang answer, guys.
So, in conclusion, the total transaction and balance sheet of the ETA company is, for the cash, we have 2,355,500, and for the land, we have 2,800,000. We also have, for equipment, we have 217,500 and 96,500,000 for the supplies. And the total asset is 5,469,500. And for the liabilities, we have accounts payable, the remaining, we have 27,500. And for our capital, we have 5,442,000. So, in summary, if we all total the asset, liabilities, and capital, we can get the 5,469,500 in both asset and liabilities in capital.
For 6'9" na like ulang. What the fuck?